Hi, I'm David. Welcome to LeadCommGym, your go-to place to become the best version of yourself and the leader your team needs. Welcome to Workout Wednesday. This week's workout is going to be gratitudes cubed. So we're going to take 25 seconds and write down 3 people, things, ideas, opportunities that you're grateful for. Now, don't go yet. We'll have a timer that'll pop up. We're going to do it 3 times. 3 times 3, gratitudes cubed. The real reason behind this is that there's been studies that have shown that expressing or cultivating a gratitude mindset helps build resilience. And so as leaders, we're working to build our mindset, improve or increase, our emotional intelligence and enhance our ability to communicate. So gratitudes cubed. Let's dive in. Your time starts now. All right, that's your first round. Get a few more seconds, and then you can catch your breath, you can stretch, you can shake it out, Round 2 starts now. All right, that is round 2. One more round to go. Hope you're feeling it. One more round, and your time starts now. Yeah, I'm doing this along with you just so that you're aware of why I'm looking down at a piece of paper. All right, and there's time. That is Workout Wednesday. It's really that simple. It's a way for you to start cultivating your resilience by really reflecting and rooting yourself in things to be grateful for. I'll wrap there. Look forward to seeing you in another Workout Wednesday. Tap into LeadCommGym for all of your individual one-on-one coaching and just team and leader development and organizational health needs. Take care.